Off the Grid Campers. In this video we're showing you the operation of the Dometic Freshjet Inverter air conditioner. Now this one is absolutely brilliant. We are so happy with this air conditioner because being an inverter model, it's extremely power efficient, and in night mode it's unbelievable. It chews up very, very little. And I have covered the power consumption of it in other videos, but in this video it's about using the remote control, pairing it with your phone and the Dometic Climate app. Using the remote control, obviously you're just turning it on with the power button, and you've got different modes, turning the temperature up and down. I'm not going to use a remote because I want to show you through the app. Everyone knows how to use a remote and the symbols are very obvious as to what it does. Okay, but through the app, which is what I prefer to use, particularly when you're sitting back in bed at night and you are guilty of still being on your phone, you want to crank the aircon up a bit more or crank it down or put into night mode, I find it much easier to use this. And so what you're looking for in the Play Store is that app there, the Dometic Climate app. Okay, so once you've downloaded that and opened it up, it will tell you how to pair the phone with the aircon. I'm already paired in, but essentially you open up the app, you select the Dometic Freshjet model, and then hit next, and then it says you need to push the two buttons here. So there's two buttons that you push simultaneously, and it shows you the buttons that you need to push, and that puts the aircon in pairing mode, and then your phone will recognize the aircon, pair to it, and then at that stage you've got connection to the aircon through the app. So when you are connected and you open up the app, it will connect with the aircon straight away, and you can obviously turn it on. So hit the power. You can change the temperature. So we want it on, say, 23, or we might want it on 20. Apply. It's telling you the ambient temperature there, 23 degrees, the target temperature is 20. You've got modes here. We want to leave it on cooling, but you've got heating, you've got ventilation, which is just bringing in the ambient air. You've got auto, and you've got just dry air. But we'll leave it on cooling. Fan speed, so low up to turbo. We just put it on medium. I'll leave it on medium because I want to show you what happens when you go back to the main menu. We were just in this menu here. You can put it in sleep mode. Now what sleep mode does, once the aircon is up to the correct temperature, it's not yet, it's at 22 degrees because we just turned it on, but its target is 20, and so if those two match, you're at temperature, and when you're at temperature you can then pop it into sleep mode. So if you're ready for bed and you want to reduce the noise and the lighting, you put it in sleep mode, and then the light panel went off, and then you can hear the fan speed whir down. Okay, so it puts it in a constant fan speed and a lower fan speed, so it's more power efficient, less noisy, gets rid of the lighting at the front. I'll take it out of sleep mode so we can still see it up there, so you can see the panels come back on. You've got an internal light as well, so you turn the internal light on. The remote control has that function as well, it's that button there. But on the app it actually has a second option, which is 50% light, and I'm showing you this because I find that 50% light on the aircon to be really good, because these are quite bright, the main lights. So if I flick that off, you'll see that's a nice level of lighting inside with the aircon. And so that's how easy it is to use the Dometic Freshjet aircon, whether you want to use it through your aircon remote or through the Freshjet app. It's up to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.